Hello everyone. If you have watched my channel videos, now if you know if I'm sitting in this place right here, it is for two reasons. One is unboxing, or two, I talk and I talk a lot. So today I'm going to do both. It is a hybrid of the two. I'll be unboxing and talking about something very interesting. So hang on tight and watch till the end. Good morning, Shubhodaya and Eldrigo Namaskara. It's been a long since I gave my intro, so starting off with the intro. That is what it's supposed to mean. Okay, my sister is sitting right there and she's laughing at me. I don't know for what reason. Okay, today's video is going to be a 2-point video. Before starting off, I would like to thank all of you for such immense support for the last videos. Really appreciate it. It gives me motivation to make more and more of videos. Now coming back to this topic, time is around 11:30 in the morning. Received an amazing parcel in the morning. This one, I'll show you what this is in a few minutes. Now this is topic 1. This is topic 2. What this is, what is the use and all, I'll tell you later, but let me give you a clue before I even tell you. So stick on till the end to know what this is, and it is one of the best bags I've used till date. This is the one-stop solution for all your banking needs. So without further ado, let's start the unboxing. Let's unbox. It is a bit big to keep it on the table, so let me keep it here in the box. Open madli.
ಕಿತ್ತಾಕ್ಬಿಡು.
My sister is making me do so much.
ಉಲ್ಟಾ ಹಂಗೆ ಬೇಡ. ಹಂಗೆ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಾಗಿ ಹಂಗೆ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಮೆಝಾನ್
ಸರಿ
ಪಾರ್ಸಲ್.
ಸಾಕು, ನನ್ನ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ಟೂ ಮಚ್ ಆಯ್ತು.
ಅನ್ಬಾಕ್ಸಿಂಗು ಬರಲ್ಲ.
Okay, now what this is, now as you all know, I do make podcasts. If you haven't listened to it yet, I'll give a link here or in the I button, links in the description below. Now I got a few mails. Yeah, I would like to address this issue as well before going to this. I've got a few mails regarding the interval between each lockdown story episode and the quality of the podcast. Yes, I know the quality of the podcast is not well because this is pandemic times and you can't physically meet and make a good studio setup and shoot. So we're going to make the best use of what we have. So in order to make it a bit better, I bought myself a gift. What this is? This is a full set podcasting condenser microphone. Now yes, I know the audio quality was bad, so I hope this will make it better. This is an entry level condenser microphone, but it does my job perfect. So that is one issue, and regarding the second issue, that is the interval between each lockdown story episode. For now, let's say 7 days, 15 days. I'll try at the max for 7 days. So 7 days to 15 days. If you haven't watched it yet, again, link is in the description below. It is a full podcast, so it is available on all the major podcast platforms such as Spotify, Apple Podcasts, Google Podcasts, and all the major platforms. So check it out. Do give it a listen. So this is the mono podcasting microphone kit. Now if you are interested in the technicalities, let me read out because that makes me happy. Yeah, so it's a 16mm condenser. Okay, it is a 16mm condenser. It is a cardioid pattern. Frequency response is 30 Hz to 16 kHz. Sensitivity is -38 decibels to +38 decibels. Equivalent blah blah. Sampling rate is 192 kHz and blah blah. Now I don't know half of what that means, but yeah, let's unbox this. Now this is a complete kit, so I hope what and all it has is it has a pop filter, shock stand, and a swing arm. So let's unbox. This is a bit difficult. Now let's see what all do we have here. Okay, we have happy card. Thank you for shopping with us. Now this is a user manual which I'll tell you I'll be studying in some while with, and I want. So I'll do that. This is a dead cat. I hope it's called a dead cat, as I know. Yes, I hope it's called a dead cat. And this is a pop filter. What it basically does is it increases the pop sound, or it becomes a pop. That it does that. That is layer 1. Let's go to layer 2. Okay, this looks very interesting. Cable tie. That's what it's called, right? Why do they have silica gel? No clue. I don't know. Okay. This is the chewing gum. It's pretty good. The build quality. Oh my god, it's pretty good. I think it's aluminium and it is pretty good. This is used to mount the microphone. It's pretty good. Oh my god, I never expected this quality, but that again silica gel. This, I believe this is called a shock mount. Yes, I believe it's called a shock mount. So what it does is it basically the sound, it avoids the extra sounds on the arm or something like that. Now I know I'm a noob. I'll get better over time. For now, please deal with this. This is again a mount to mount the swing arm. The USB type A to type B. This connects the microphone and this connects your computer socket. Now this is a plug and play microphone, so it is not one of the microphones where you need an external amp. You connect that to the microphone to that and that to the computer. So this is just a plug and play. You need not need any extra software. You just plug in and start doing. This is the done with the box. This is the microphone. Looks pretty sturdy. Mic check. Okay, that is the unboxing. Now let me quickly set this up and I'll show you the setup. That was the unboxing or the topic 1, as I told initially. This is the topic 2. This is very interesting. Now as you would have guessed, yes, this is a backpack and it's called the Carbonado backpack. This is one of the best, actually the best backpack I have used till now. Now this is the time wherein students go for buying backpacks or look out for new backpacks. This backpack I suggest for everyone. It just suits all kind of users. Maybe you're a student or a tech head, or you can use it as a camera backpack. This is one of the best, and for the money you buy it for, oh my god, this just makes wonders. Okay, let's quickly get in. This is from a startup, so it's called Carbonado. Now I'll show you the backpack and then come to the technicalities of the backpack. I've been using this backpack for quite some time now, somewhere around 7 to 8 months. So I know that in and out of the backpack. So I'll be telling you all the perks and the disadvantages as well. So this is the backpack. Doesn't it look so good? It looks really cool. Now this is a tech backpack. For those of you who don't know what a tech backpack is, it will have this socket. If you can see right here, it will have this socket so that you can charge your phone and take your headphone cable as well. So that is called a tech backpack in layman's terms. Now let's quickly get into the bag. Now this bag has quite a few compartments. I'll show you the main compartment. This is the main compartment. It opens 180 degrees like this. It opens 180 degrees like this. It also comes with a rain cover. So as I told you, it's a tech backpack. So this is where you connect your power bank so that you can take out the cable from here and charge your phone. Then you have all these compartments, and this is for your pens. This is a laptop sleeve. It can fit in easily a 15-inch laptop. I keep my MacBook Pro 15-inch here. It fits very easily, and the padding is quite well as well. Now this is a tablet sleeve for your iPad or any other tablet. You can keep anything else as well. Now this is ergonomically very well built, it looks beautiful, and even inside out it looks pretty well. This is the main compartment. It also has a clip hanger for your keys or small umbrellas or anything. So this is the main compartment. Now coming to the back, let me talk about the straps. These are very comfortable. They don't stress out much. They are very soft and fits very well on your shoulder. Moving to the next compartment, there's a compartment on the back. Again, you can keep your laptop or anything as one compartment. It also has a elastic plug-in so that your laptop fits and doesn't move. So that is there on the back. You also have a small pocket on the shoulder strap so that to keep little money or your earphones. What is unique is most of the bags have it only on one side. This has on both the sides, so you can split your notes and coins. And there's also one more small pocket over here. It's a very small pocket comparatively. I think this is meant for your earphones. So that is on the back side. Now coming to the front, just look at the build quality. This is hard. Again, it is very hard. This is the logo of the company. On the top, there is a compartment as well, which opens up like this. I hope you can see. It is again split into two so that you can keep stuff. I think this is meant for your sunglasses or stuff. Now when you open this right, it has a velcro cover and it opens up on the inside, so that if you have some of your power bank or you want to charge your phone, you can just keep it here and plug the power bank here. It works that as well. And there is this compartment. It is hard so that you can keep your sunglasses without damaging them. Now that, and let me come to the side of the backpack. There are two zippers on each side. This, as you can see, is foil-like material made to keep your water bottles or anything that that will provide insulation if required. This is pretty unique. I think this is the first bag I saw this in. It's a pretty nifty feature, and just look at the size. It automatically fits a 1 liter bottle without any doubt. Coming on to this side, again this has a smart outlet, and this is where you can put your keys or small umbrella, as I told. And this is where you keep your power bank in this socket, and then connect the power bank and your phone to take the earphones out from here so that you don't have the messy wires lying around your pocket. This is the Carbonado backpack. Now coming to the front and few advantages of the backpack. Now first of all, if you are a student and you worry about the looks, just look how nifty and cool this looks. This is one of the easily the best looking backpacks, and let me tell you a quick this thing. You see this here, you can customize this part. You can take this comes with a covering. Again, they give you one. They have the many types of different coverings for this. As you can see, I've put a plain black, what do you call it? You can call it a sticker or skin. Yeah, you can call that a skin. So I put a plain black skin. You can customize the skins if you have that skill, or there are many different types of skin available on their website. So you can make it look pretty cool. And if you are a tech, then it has a lot of compartments, and you can easily rest your tech products like your laptops, tablets without any worry, because they are safe as they are good padding and stuff. Coming to the cost of the backpack, this is not pretty costly and it's not pretty cheap as well. This comes at a price of 4,700 rupees. This is called the Carbonado GT2 backpack. Now trust me, when you're going for a backpack, this might look a bit costly for a student or someone like me. Initially I was also hesitant on buying this, but then trust me, this will do justice for that amount of money, and the material used is top notch. And I have been using this from past 1 year or so. Extensively I'm using this, and as you can see, it is perfectly alright. It can act as a perfect daily driver for anyone and everyone. So when you have a plans of buying a backpack, trust me, this is a one-stop solution for all your needs. coming at a price of 4,700, can easily last 3 to 4 years without any damage. That is, mark my words, it can. This is not a sponsored video. I just love this backpack. This is one of the best backpacks I've used till date. I've used it for all kinds. As a daily driver, I've taken it to college, then I've taken it on a small trip. So this is a top-notch bag. Now, if you have seen my what's in my tech backpack video, I hadn't told about this bag because I was testing it back then, and now I can conclude that I've tested this and I'm in love with this backpack. So if you're out for a good search for a good backpack, this is the best you can get. Now, this is not advertised. I don't know why the company is not advertising it that much. Any good product these days that comes from a startup, yes, this comes from a startup called Carbonado, aren't advertised properly. I don't know for what reason, but then it is available on Amazon. It's also available on their official websites, carbonado.com. The links for both will be in the description. Do check it out. Now I'll take you quickly. I'll go complete my mic setup and then I'll show you. Okay, this is how the setup is looking. This is my desk. I've fixed the clamp over here. It's pretty good length, and this is the mic. I have not used a pop filter because that is used for a different purpose. I have applied the dead cat, and let me show you how I talk. Okay, so this is gonna be the setup. So I'm so happy. This makes me look so professional. Starting right, you go on getting better and better. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please hit the like button. Just gives me, just makes me happy and gives me motivation to make more videos. Now 60% of my viewership is from the people who have not subscribed to the channel. So please do consider subscribing if you like what you watch and you want to watch more of such videos. With that said, I'll take your leave. Stay safe. Corona is still out there. Use a face mask. Always keep a hand sanitizer handy. With that said, I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care. Stay safe. Bye.